These are the top services I provide that are literally going to change your life.
But if you close your eyes.
So make sure to watch this entire video from start to finish, because what I'm about to share with you is literally life changing. Let's go. Tradelines. If you have not heard of what Tradelines are, you are truly missing out. Tradelines are the #1 way to increase or enhance your credit profile and boost your credit score within a matter of 10 days. Credit repair. We have a credit repair program that focuses on challenging negative items with the credit bureaus and the creditors to help remove negative items and, of course, add positive items. How to start a credit repair business. Now, if you're looking to start a credit repair business or even start it as a side hustle, I am the one that knows how to do it. Believe me, I started my credit repair business, and within a year, I was able to fire my boss, and I was making over $10,000 a month with my credit repair business. And I thought, man, this is so amazing. I want to teach other people how to do the same exact thing because it's life-changing. And I can't handle more than 200 clients. So I would love to be able to share some of the clients that come to me for credit repair that I simply can't take on with my network of trusted credit repair agents. Understanding your credit report. Now, a lot of people just simply don't understand what's affecting them, how to get into a 700 credit score, how to remain in the 700s, and be able to leverage their credit to earn income with your credit. You can leverage your credit to make multiple streams of income because at the end of the day, credit is our foundation. Business credit. Now, business credit is very dependent upon your personal credit. Even though they are very separate, as a business owner, you're going to need to personally guarantee some types of credit. Now, those credit cards that we will personally guarantee, our goal is to ensure that we're applying for those cards that do not report to our personal credit. So if we do use the cards, have a high credit utilization, it's not going to report to our personal credit profile. The only thing is you have to understand business credit as a whole, the concept. Yeah, there are accounts that you can have without running your personal credit. However, you are going to run into some roadblocks. So I teach people how to build business credit. I even have a course that's literally going to show you everything from step A to step Z of how to build business credit from the foundation all the way up from tier 1, tier 2, and so on. So if you're interested in building business credit, not only do I have my business credit course, like mentioned, but I offer business credit coaching as well. So we can work together on helping you establish your business credit. Social media. Now, social media is going to be the #1 way you are going to grow your business in the fastest manner possible because social media is where all of your clients are at. Now, whether you're a service-based business like credit repair, taxes, whatever the case may be, your ideal clients are typically going to be on some sort of social media platform, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right? But we want to find your ideal clients and make content that's going to speak to your clients, where you can target your ideal clients to make your content turn into cash. Business coaching. Now, I've been in business operations for over 15 years. And one thing that I've noticed working with a ton of entrepreneurs is a lot of entrepreneurs are simply unorganized. They don't have systems. They don't have processes. They don't really understand the concept behind everything. Me as a business coach, I'm going to help you with your systems, your processes. We're going to make sure everything's set up properly so you can duplicate the process, because as your business grows, you're going to need to hire people to help you grow, manage, and pretty much help you run your business. As the business owner, you're going to need to know how to do everything from A to Z. So if for some reason someone doesn't work out, or maybe you need to replace someone, you're already going to have that position documented on what the expectations are, your standard operating procedures, and how you can easily hire and train someone to replace for that position. Credit repair coaching. Now, I have helped hundreds, if not thousands, of credit repair agents start their credit repair business. We start by training you how to work within Credit Repair Cloud, how you can help millions of people resolve their credit issues with an automation software that makes your job so easy. So if you're interested in learning how to start a credit repair business, maybe as a side hustle or even a full-time hustle, you're in the right place. I offer one-on-one coaching. We also have a credit course that is coming out soon. So head to the link below where you can sign up for exclusive access to my new credit repair program, where we are actually going to be having live coaching calls twice a week that will be able to answer all of your questions. It's a great program for those that are new or existing in the credit repair space that just want some clarification and learn how to get more paying clients. Creating content. Now, this kind of ties into social media, but for a lot of you people out there, you guys are just simply not getting enough paying clients. You don't have enough business. Well, I'm here to share with you, you have to create content. You have to create fun content. You have to allow people to get to know you. And how do you do that? Well, you got to get on camera. And believe me, it was not easy for me to do at first either. But me as a coach, I'm going to tell you what you need to put on camera so you can create some fun, fantastic, and amazing content for your audience so you can create your content and turn that into cash. Your website and your online presence. Now, a lot of business owners don't realize that your site, your online presence, how easy you make it for people to get in touch with you. This all plays a huge role. Now, not only do I offer a website, but we offer landing pages, sales pages, and all of these things can be done within applications like ConvertKit, Samcart, and the list goes on and on. Now, if you're interested in setting up your website, maybe a landing page, a sales page, you want to be able to sell digital products online for a quick and easy checkout, I am your go-to gal, guys. You can go to link below where you can head to my link tree and you can see all of my links and you can buy digital products. And we can also turn this into your mailing list. It's a great way to stay in touch with your audience and be able to sell your digital products while you sleep. There's nothing more rewarding than making money while you sleep. And that's what it's all about, creating multiple streams of income. So not only are you offering credit repair, credit coaching, or anything to do with credit, but you can also offer the DIY options to your clients, ebooks, courses, the list goes on and on. So if you're interested in any of our courses or ebooks or anything of that nature, you can head over to my website, Credit Coach Nicole Scott, where you can sign up for our digital products, our courses, our ebooks, all of the amazing value that you're going to get on our website. We also have coaching packages that are going to offer you live one-on-one coaching with me, Credit Coach Nicole Scott, where you're going to get the recording back to you. Believe me when I tell you, the prices are as low as they're going to get right now. I am definitely going to be increasing my prices very soon. So you want to make sure that you get your packages now while prices are still low, because come 2023, my prices are going up, baby. You know, my time is very limited now, but I always want to make time to work with people who are serious, dedicated. They want to learn. They want to grow. They want to get into a business and create multiple streams of income, and they're serious. So let's go. Make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, Credit Coach Nicole Scott. You can find me on YouTube, Credit Coach Nicole Scott, on Instagram at Credit Coach Nicole Scott, on TikTok, Credit Coach Nicole. And of course, if you have any additional questions, feel free to book a free call with me today. Let's go. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, the list goes on and on.
But if you close your eyes